Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you what it's like to work out using the HEVY app. I'll be doing a full review and tutorial after I've used it for a few weeks, but I wanted to share my first impressions and show you exactly what a workout looks like using the app. For this workout, I selected one of HEVY's pre-made push routines. You can create your own routines, but I wanted to see what the app already had programmed. This workout is part of a push, pull, leg split, which is great for beginners because it covers all the main muscle groups throughout the week. The rep ranges are intentionally higher, allowing beginners to choose a manageable weight and become more comfortable with the movement. I did make a few substitutions along the way. For example, I replaced the barbell bench press with dumbbell bench press because the gym I was training at didn't have free weight Olympic barbells. When I started the workout, it kicked off with a warm-up. The warm-up is self-guided, so while the app recommends movements like leg swings, arm circles, jumping jacks, and high knees, it doesn't prescribe a specific number of reps or duration. It suggests spending about 5 minutes warming up, and then you manually end the timer when you're ready to move on. The first exercise was the bench press. I used a pair of 30-pound dumbbells for a total of 60 pounds and completed 3 sets of 12 reps, which I logged into the app. One thing I noticed right away was that my Apple Watch automatically synced with HEVY, allowing me to see my workout progress directly from my wrist. After completing a set, I tapped the check mark and a rest timer automatically started. The timer appears on your phone, your Apple Watch, and even as a live activity on your iPhone's home screen, which is a nice touch. Once the timer ends, you're ready for your next set. Another feature I liked was that every exercise includes instructions and a visual demonstration. So if you're unfamiliar with how to perform a movement or set up a machine, you can quickly reference the tutorial before getting started. From there, the workout followed a simple pattern: complete a set, rest, and repeat. For this workout, I completed 3 sets of dumbbell bench presses, 3 sets of dumbbell shoulder presses, 3 sets of the pec deck machine, 3 sets of dumbbell lateral raises, and I had originally planned to use a specific tricep machine, but it was occupied, so I swapped in a different tricep machine instead. One thing I noticed is that when replacing an exercise, HEVY doesn't automatically suggest alternative movements that target the same muscle group. Instead, you'll need to search for a replacement yourself by typing it in the search bar or searching by muscle. After finishing the workout, the app provided a summary showing my total training volume. I could also add a photo and share that workout publicly because HEVY isn't just a workout tracker, it's also a social platform. You can post workouts, follow other users, gain followers, like posts, and leave comments. It's very similar to apps like Instagram and Strava. Another feature I like is that once you've completed an exercise, HEVY starts tracking performance data for that movement. You can view personal records such as heaviest weight lifted, estimated 1 rep max, best set volume, and best session volume. Having that information readily available makes it much easier to track your progress over time and know exactly when you've set a new PR. So that was my first experience using the HEVY app. What I really liked about it was the pre-made workout routine, the automatic rest timer, the social media features, and the ability to track your workout history and personal records. Since the app already integrates the Apple Watch, one feature I'd like to see is automatic rep counting, which is present on apps I've seen before, such as Trainwell. It would have been nice to have specific warm-up exercises too, instead of just 5 minutes doing whatever you wanted. So if people need more guidance, they know what to do. And also a cool down portion. After my last strength exercise, the workout just kind of ended. So I'm not sure if other workouts will have cooldowns, but if they don't, that's something I'd definitely like to have, just to cap off the workout. I'd also like to see some exercise recommendations. So when I was swapping out the exercise, it didn't give me a list of exercises that would target the same muscle groups. It required searching for it. I know apps like Muscle Booster does that if you're trying to switch out a programmed exercise, so that would be cool to have. Overall though, my first experience using the app was very positive. The workout was easy to follow, the app was intuitive, and I think beginners could really benefit from using it. Now I'm going to continue using HEVY for a few weeks now, and then later on I'll provide a full review and tutorial. So make sure you're subscribed so you're notified when it's ready. Until then, are you going to use the HEVY app? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.